Adarkwah Yiadom Prophet 1 adodo na asaso friend Opambour ene nei all trended din ni nyina ne prophecy ene question bi a okoko busa no John Dramani Mahama ne fellowship a one Kumasi clergymen ehyiae enrada na no na Vim lady Afia Pokua ehwese ne Opambour ne question ye obusa Dr. Mahamadou Baumie trended din na ene wo se owanu yi abusua odi anu ye aba a mepese ebeko ne akwakotie no ene John Dramani Mahama obo na baso se waye ade pa esanse loopholes bi a na deda post ene service bi a eba abontimu no na etia NDC nyina no ade sesese otuetu asanto kuro ni nyina.
In the meantime, Prophet 1 he say Prophet 1 Kumasi no. He's also Opambour Asempa. This we coordinate about the same just before you are for what in the back.
Na Mr. Busa say Ghana card etimi me nyaka ebetima me nyaka free because cost wo mani mu a me ntiase me se me ma obi anso nu se Ghana card ebetimi de nyaka free a cause bibie no e kire sa se betimi de nyaka free o ma biem no wa e cheka free wo and number say me busa sa 7 na ewura president yi anu ma me misre na da Roma say ebetimi me anya kai free a na ma yemfa ya honto so because yentimi nya na ye sa
we prophet one no ya ne shenanigans ni ade no, but I think that this issue about Ghana card, anybody who condemns Ghana card no said you Brumanu said you why you form because look the identification, that is what has made Europe near Broche. That Ghana card should not even be a contentious issue. Ghana card should not be a contentious issue. Approach no be a card in Dubai. Hey, who will be that ID card? There should not be. This is the bogus issue. This is the Ghana Posika here. NBC Posika woman, the Posika woman. Not allowing the poor almost floating. Ghana card. It has come to stay. Let it be there. Let it be there. What I say, it has come to stay. Let it be there. Ghana card should not be an issue. So let's focus on the actual issue, which is economy, economic some unemployment. Those are the issues about Ghana accordingly. Now let's go to JDM.
Starting free SHS. Private schools no going. Until consema ho baby private school be or na ayama and condemn na school. You're starting free SHS and I often now confirm a free private school no at the core a buying school if you say a home chair. And to me, them say, na schooling and a walk sa community no a buying school be any home. And so almost Francodano if we say school no at the core another community baby a buying school and Kodano and what sa school because almost also over. We must work capacity of betting there far and Kodani. Intimacy in those cases, no. Also, private school, no, they can't free SHS, no. Senebea almost so Omohonchre Omo na and Kodano etimi enya kwan esuande.
And you can see this is what Mahama is saying about prayer. I think it makes this one is one of the best responses Mahama has ever given about pre-SHS issues I think that even as I'm saying, Mahama should have even said it earlier. Crowns and able to do this point because you see the issue about private schools not being captured as part of free SHS is very worrisome. Okay, beginning of free SHS, so many private schools were complaining bitterly because they are all delivering a national service. So this is what they are doing to build Ghana. So I think this is a very good response, which is what NDC should have done in 2016. That here they are condemning pre-SHS, but here they will inculcate the private schools. We will make sure say the financial costing it's manageable. I think it's one of the fantastic responses Mahama has ever given about free SHS. Again, this shows you say 4 weeks now coming to elections. Mahama, NDC, MPP, they are all taking it very serious because I'll take you to what Baumia is also saying this week. But let me play you the next video from Mahama camp.
NDC by every free SHS, political gimmick. omo de say nipa adwen anya no kre ene anya no kre ochina. Free SHS has come to stay. Yen difference and na a war yene MPP intem and it's can say progressively free. And you shall say 2015 yema day students in free SHS omuntua and in the next year 2016 you have boarding students 140,000 say you bema omubeseries HS omuntua train and you started from the poorest districts. I just say increasing the numbers. But 2016, we lost into MPP BJ, and almost they're going to start it immediately for everybody. Into almost say free for everybody. Into ultimate champion, free and all that. Into for some 8 years now. It means say and be implementation and koye. And I say we'll have a national education stakeholders workshop. Now, yeah, the education experts, yeah, they are awful, yeah, they are software, yeah, they will be everybody who is a stakeholder in education. Near Betras, near share, baby, and koye no. Na ya so ano. Also, yeah, near you who say free SHS no any dedicated source of funding. Enti sikano ko sope. So was here Bibia, a Koda Minister of Finance table so a check abra here Sikano at the free SHS. And TSA about will do a dedicated source of funding. Say a tour and a bay you saw say Yesika ye free Yagudium and a bay be ato Sato no more. Send a bay and maybe say a Kobase I was here releasing Sika for secondary schools now. Na says can get me releasing. And number one, your dedicated source of financing. Number two, abaying almost centralizing feeding no. And abaying my friend the national buffer stock. Omoni ema musika no mato eduane no mo dia chama secondary schools no. Into the bia food contractors no to supply eduane ma buffer stock. Ni entua omoka. They stop supplying. And so the beer and Padano, I just say old boys, yeah, appeal, Emma almost say, a Janema say, Ama, this year to school no. Now old boys, Nakoto and more, and a by rare, and sardine near the normal or the big one. And to me, they may say a bar, says you can hear from my buffer stock. You bet you can have my schools no. No man can say, Uko Krobiaswa, a Jomo. Yeton Baira ho, Yeton Gari ho, Yeton Amo ho, Yeton Enamo ho, Yeton Brodo ho. And yet this can be my schools in Lancasa. Now Omakoto Sanyomano, now Omodiama Abeye Bianiaman Quadano. And no better quality of food now better. Because a name make us say men and women of God. Modia Munko secondary school ho, no more Casamon family in Koshe, Ediania Yademan Quadano. One of
so again, this is what Mahama was saying in response to a free SHS. And I think that President Mahama last 2 weeks recently, and especially University of Ghana for the demographics about 18 years, 24 years for no more Baumia. Majority of those people are voting for Baumia. From 25 to 55, majority of those people know Tuama Mahama. So Mahama needs to cross over 50+1. And I think that he's intentionally addressing in Kolana already 18 24 no. And also addressing parents now. More parents don't have supporting Mahama Dada. Most of the parents will be able to tell Mahama because University of Ghana research now. Already between 25 and 55. Parents. Economy no CD dollar exchange rate affect. So most of them already are on the side of Mahama. But you need more than just parents. So I think it is smart on his part to address free SHS. And capture 18 to 24 years now. University of Ghana research shows that they are rather on the side of MPP. 55+ for no I'm a Baumia Dada. Into on the homework, what Baumia is trying to do. So let me take you to Baumia and what Baumia is also trying to do to capture omo economic bracket omo no ye breadwinners omo na economy na affect omo more omo na yi omo bottom sika omo san profo na ya amo hwe say ye $60 exchange rate ko baby a e be kan because the bottom no yi ye toilet block kosoro aduane block kosoro we block kosoro ni ade so